In this wireframing tutorial, we're going to explore how to create a checkout page using the symbols feature in MockFlow Wireframe Pro, which makes the process faster and more efficient. Let's start by setting up the layout, which acts as the foundation for our checkout page. We'll add a browser frame component that replicates the look of an actual browser window. Let's name this frame Ecommerce Checkout to keep our design organized. Next, we'll add an icon from MockFlow's icon library to represent the logo for our checkout page, giving it a more realistic touch. The header section is an important part where we provide easy navigation for users. We'll use the menu component here, which you can fully customize based on your page flow and preferences. To complete the header, we'll add a cart icon and a More Options icon from the MockFlow image library. This will make it easier for users to navigate and access essential options from the checkout page. With this, our header section is complete. Now, let's move to the body of the page. We'll add a background section where the checkout form fields will be placed. This is where users will enter their name, address, and other important details. Within this background, we'll create a section called Delivery Information where the user can fill in delivery details. We'll start with a name field using the text input component where the user can enter their name. To guide the user, we'll add watermark text inside the input box like type your name, making it look like a soft label or hint. Using the saved symbol, we'll quickly create another input field for mobile number. We can update the label, watermark, and continue creating other required fields in a similar way. Next, we'll create an address field by adding a text label and a text input component where the user can type their full address. Many users prefer to schedule their delivery. To accommodate this, we'll add a toggle button that allows them to enable or disable delivery scheduling. We'll use the toggle component and customize its design. When the user activates the schedule delivery option, a date picker should appear. For this, we'll add a date field using the date input component to let users select their preferred delivery date. Additionally, we can add a notes field where the user can write any specific instructions regarding their delivery. We'll use the text input component here as well. After the delivery details, the next step is to show the payment method section. We'll create a nice rectangular background and use radio button components to list out payment options like online payment, cash on delivery, and POS payments. This gives a clear representation of the payment options available on the checkout page. Moving on, let's design the order summary section where users can review the items in their cart. We'll include the item image, name, color, and price. To let users adjust the quantity, we'll add the numeric spinner component, which is commonly used for quantity selection in carts. Before proceeding, let's save the numeric spinner as a symbol, just like we did earlier. Select it, give it a name, and save it so we can reuse it in other parts of the design. Now, updating the name, color, and price accordingly and reuse the same symbol for the cart item, add a dividing line to visually separate the order summary. Then, list the subtotal, shipping fee, and add another line to display the total price. At last we are going to add an CTA button with an icon to confirm the order, and we are going to rename it as Confirm Order and an icon from MockFlow's icon library. The beauty of using symbols in MockFlow is that they can be easily edited wherever they appear. Simply click on the symbol to open the symbol editor. After making changes, click Save Symbol and you'll see two options. You can either update the symbol just for that instance or apply the changes across all instances wherever the symbol is used. If you want to edit the symbol only for one particular instance, you can follow the same steps but choose the option to update it for that instance alone without updating for others. After fine-tuning some customizations within the checkout page design, you'll see that creating a checkout page is quick and seamless using MockFlow's Wireframe Pro editor. If you found this tutorial helpful and would like to explore more wireframing videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more.